Hello, hello. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
भैया
भैया।
audible.
Yes, sir. Don't call me sir. Okay, so how are you all?
Fine.
Fine.
Fine, great.
Fine, भैया.
Fine, भैया.
A very warm good morning.
Fine.
Oh, I mean a very chilly good morning. It's so cold. What shall I say? Are you all in?
Afternoon.
Oh yeah, afternoon. Sorry, sorry. Don't be that bossy teacher kind of thing who says afternoon after 12 p.m. So are you all in Silla? I mean in Siliguri.
No.
Yes,
No,
भैया.
no.
भैया.
Yes, भैया.
Okay. Okay, so today
No, भैया.
for DSC now we have a
No,
very
I'm not from Siliguri.
okay, not an issue. Okay, so today DSC we have a very special announcement for you all. Any guesses what it is about?
Opening of
No.
our college.
Okay, yeah, it was kind of correct. So let me tell you, what can you make out with this unpack droid written out here? Any ideas? Unpack droid. कुछ समझ में आ रहा है इससे?
नहीं, एंड्रॉइड का कुछ होगा शायद.
Yes, correct. ईसी वाले लोग ने पता कर लिया था कि बाय दिस वर्ड्स कब ऑन तुम लोग तो सीसी के हो. Unpack droid. About unpacking Android, something right like that, right? Okay, let me tell you. Unpack Droid is a hackathon which we are about to organize. Yes, you heard it right. It will be the first hackathon in SIT and probably the first in Siliguri. So you guys are very lucky to be a part of it. I'm jealous. So what the heck is a hackathon? A hackathon, also known as a code fest, is a social coding event that brings computer programmers and other interested people together to improve upon or build a new software program. So मैंने भर तो दिया लेकिन समझ में आया व्हाट इज अ हैकाथन? कोई आइडिया किसी को ऑलरेडी?
Can you just repeat it? I didn't hear.
Oh, okay, okay. You can see it in the screen also, by the way. A hackathon, also known as a code fest, is a social coding event that brings computer programmers and other interested people together to improve upon or build a new software program. So समझ में आया हैकाथन क्या होता है? या कोई अपने वर्ड्स में
हाँ.
बोलो. What is a hackathon?
Coding competition.
Yeah, a coding
Hackathon is
competition.
like a tech fest.
And what do you do in a hackathon? क्या करते हैं हैकाथन में हम लोग?
Coding.
कोडिंग. ओके, मतलब कोडिंग करके क्या एक दूसरे
भैया
से
कोडिंग से कोई सॉफ्टवेयर
Compete with
डेवलप
each
करते हैं.
other over competitive coding.
या करेक्ट. जिसने बोला सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करते हैं, बिंगो, दैट वाज द करेक्ट आंसर. हाँ, कंपटीशन है बट मेन एम है कि कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर या कुछ प्रोग्राम डेवलप करने. सो दैट इज अ हैकाथन. नाउ देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ हैकाथॉन्स. फर्स्ट इज ऑफलाइन हैकाथन एंड सेकंड इज ऑनलाइन. ऑफ कोर्स कोविड से पहले ऑनलाइन तो इतना नहीं होता था, हैकाथॉन्स होते थे बट नॉट मच. इट वाज जनरली लिमिटेड टू ऑफलाइन. बट अब सारे ऑनलाइन ही हो रहे हैं मोस्टली. एंड ये दोनों ऑफलाइन और ऑनलाइन ना, दे जनरली स्पेंड फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ 24, 36 और 48 आवर्स. तो जनरली इतने आवर्स की हैकाथॉन होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि सब 48 आवर्स तक कोड ही करते जा रहे हैं, बीच में रेस्ट होता है, ब्रेक होता है, लोग सोते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते हैं, मजा करते हैं. इट्स अ लॉट फन. ऑफलाइन में तो काफ़ी मजा आता है. लाइक आई अटेंडेड 24 आवर हैकाथॉन इन बैंगलोर. तो उसमें तो टीम्स बना के रात को चिल मूवी वगैरह, सुबह कोड, ऐसे ऐसे करके काफ़ी फन था. एंड ऑनलाइन में भी तुम लोग कर सकते हो ऐसा. ऑनलाइन में तो घर पे ही रहना है. सो दैट आर द टू टाइप्स ऑफ हैकाथॉन. ये जो अनपैक ड्रॉइड, इट विल बी अ ऑनलाइन हैकाथॉन, राइट? बिकॉज अभी कॉलेज तो नहीं जा सकते एंड ऑल. सो इट विल बी आवर college's first online hackathon. First hackathon, it's in fact. So there are some rules of thumb, like हर hackathon में generally ये rule सारे में apply होंगे, which is first is plagiarism and hackathons don't go hand in hand, hence avoid it. So ऐसा नहीं कि तुमने कुछ मतलब आइडिया लिया हैकाथॉन का और फिर गिटहब से किसी का प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह कॉपी करके चिपका दिया. अगर जजेस को पता चल गया तो यू विल बी स्ट्रेट अवे डिस्क्वालिफाइड. सो प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. And second, that your project or idea must be implemented from scratch. Second point कोई समझा सकते क्या है?
एकदम जीरो से शुरू करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, correct. Damn correct. That was really nice. मतलब ऐसा है कि तुमने कुछ प्लान कर लिया, हाँ ठीक है, फिर ऐसा नहीं तुम पहले से प्लान कर रहे हो, तुमने घर में ऑलमोस्ट 90% काम कर लिया, फिर वहाँ पे हैकाथॉन में गए एंड जस्ट 2 लाइन कोड ऐड करके बोल दिया कि मेरा हो गया. नो, you have to start there and there from ground zero, like you said. Now, why participate in Unpacked Droid? तो इसमें बहुत सारे फायदे हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि आई होप तुम लोग सब DAC ज्वाइन कर ही चुके हो, क्योंकि वी कीप ऑन ब्रिंगिंग दिस टाइप ऑफ इवेंट्स. अगर तुम नहीं होते तो पता भी नहीं चलता, और यू वुड हैव मिस्ड दिस. सो प्लीज.
No, I haven't joined DSC.
Okay, so now you have more than a reason to join. Please join.
Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good morning,
sir.
sir. Okay, have a good day.
Yes, sir.
Let us start. Let us start here.
Okay,
Okay.
sir. So
Good morning, sir.
first of
Good
all,
morning.
if you guys haven't joined DAC yet, I'll please request you to join it. Otherwise, you may miss out on many events that we bring to you.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay.
Now, what are the advantages? Why should you participate? Number one, to unpack your skills and take them to the next level. Now, of course, when you participate in some competition or something, तो winning or losing तो अलग ही है, वो तो चलते रहेगा. But you will learn something, right? You will definitely learn something. That I can guarantee you of, that you will learn such a thing that you can even present it in your resume, that I learned such and such, I built this and I did showcase this in a hackathon. You can even show this in your resume. So that's a win-win. Now, second point is to hone your projects in front of none other than Google experts. So, किसी को आइडिया Google experts क्या होते हैं? Google developer experts, we call them. Yeah, so वो लोग ना developers होते, they are
Google recruit मतलब Google के जो recruit करते
no,
हैं.
they don't recruit for Google. There are some developers जो लोग Google से certified होते हैं कि they are Google developer expert. एक tag मिल जाता है उनको expert का. मतलब उनका स्किल लेवल इतना इस हाई लेवल का होता है कि गूगल भी उन्हें सर्टिफाई कर चुका है एज एन एक्सपर्ट. सो तुम्हारे जो प्रोजेक्ट्स तुम बनाओगे ना, दैट विल बी रिव्यूड बाय गूगल एक्सपर्ट्स. तो सोचो, इससे बड़ा कुछ तो हो नहीं सकता. एंड नॉट ओनली रिव्यूड, दे विल even guide you, help you clear your doubts. So you'll get a chance to interact with Google experts. Think of that. Now, the third point is to win super exciting goodies and vouchers. करेक्ट, ऐसा कोई हैकाथॉन ही नहीं होता जिसमें गुडीज वगैरह ना हो. एंड ये तो सबसे मेन पॉइंट होता है. यू विल विन मेनी गुडीज, मेनी वाउचर्स. आई विल स्पेसिफिकली टेल यू कि तुम्हारे लिए क्या क्या जीत सकते हो तुम इन द कमिंग स्लाइड. बट या, गुडीज तो है. नाउ फोर्थ पॉइंट is to build solutions to real life problems. Now what happened in colleges now, mostly you have to, I don't know, you'll agree with me on this or not, but 90% we gain bookish knowledge, right? Now abhi bookish knowledge ko kahin to implement karna hai, so hackathon is the platform where you get to implement it. You will build solutions जो तुम्हें आसपास हर दिन अपने कुछ प्रॉब्लम वगैरह दिख रहे हैं. You have to tackle that, and that's exactly what you will do in your jobs, right? When you go for, when you in the coming future, when you apply for a job, like किसी का कोई काम होगा, अगर कोई एंड्रॉइड के लिए अप्लाई करे तो you will be developing एंड्रॉइड apps, कोई स्टैटिस्टिक्स के लिए, कोई ML के लिए, you will be solving real life problems. और इसी का एक टेस्ट तुम्हें इस हैकाथॉन में मिलेगा. Now, fifth point is to be a part of something awesome. Of course, इस SIT का फर्स्ट हैकाथॉन हो रहा है, probably सिलीगुड़ी का, and इतना बड़ा चीज़ है, and you will be a part of it, so you should feel amazing, feel great. And then there are many more benefits of joining Unpacked Droid. We'll come to know later. Okay, अभी तक किसी को कुछ डाउट?
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Cool. Now, how to participate? सिर्फ दो ही पॉइंट्स है. Be a proud SITian. Yes. सिर्फ SITians ही इस Unpacked Droid में participate कर सकते हैं. So you joined SIT. Congratulations. You have cleared the first step. And the second point is you need a tablespoon of enthusiasm with a sprinkle of curiosity and a dash of determination are the main ingredients. ज़्यादा ही literal हो गया था लिखते वक्त, but yeah, you get it. बस enthusiasm चाहिए और you should be curious, right? कि how can I do this? What if I do this? What if I do that? What will be the outcome? And you should be determined कि yeah, अगर एक error आ रहा है या कुछ नहीं हो रहा, that I won't give up. I'll continue. That's the main spirit. Now, focus on this very nicely, okay, on this slide. These are the important timelines of hackathon. If you want to take a screenshot, please do that, and we'll be forwarding you the necessary details also later on. But you can take a screenshot now, and I recommend it. So, first point is 5th Feb to 6th Feb में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We'll have DAC sessions on hackathon. So, ये DAC sessions क्या है? Like, I hope कि तुम लोग mostly तुम लोग सबको एंड्रॉयड नहीं आता होगा, राइट?
Yep.
ओके, सो दिस हैकाथॉन ना ये काफ़ी स्पेशल है. जिसको कुछ नहीं आता दे कैन पार्टिसिपेट बिकॉज ऑन दिस 2 dates 5th and 6th Feb will be teaching you Android, all the basics, all the fundamentals. And who will be teaching you? No, the Google experts themselves. They will be teaching you.
Which
So-
Okay,
programming
so
language?
2 days will be enough for us to learn the entire Android
We
system.
won't be. No, never. 2 days can never. Even I have been learning since 1 year. So 2 days are never enough to learn completely, but you will learn the basics. तुम इतना
No,
सीख
which
जाओगे.
programming language is it?
But we can actually build a basic app with the basic knowledge, right?
Yeah, correct. It is Kotlin, by the way.
Scotland.
Okay, so like how will like we participate in a hackathon with that basic knowledge?
Okay.
We can only build basic apps like
Yeah.
very simple apps like calling apps or something like that.
The calling app isn't the simple app. You have to like connect it to the satellites. So
Yeah. Sorry, there was some kind of disturbance. Just a second. Let me just see. Okay. So yeah, what were you talking about? Hello. I'm audible, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So I was talking about like if we actually gain the basic knowledge for the program on 2 days, so
Mhm.
how can we build an app which we desire on the hackathon? Like
See, I'll tell you later on what will be happening in the next slide.
কতগুলো
But-
স্টুডেন্ট আছে তার?
But you will gain enough knowledge, the basic knowledge, on how to make a basic app. और इस हैकाथॉन का ना मेन गोल ये भी नहीं है कि तुम्हें ऐप बनाना है. That's the best part. It's not even compulsory कि तुम्हें ऐप बनाना है. You will get a upper hand if you make an app, but it's not important. Main है कि तुम्हारा आइडिया होना चाहिए. Let me tell you what's gonna happen.
So if we want to win, we
Yeah,
have to
yeah.
make an app now.
No, it's not 100% compulsory that you need to make an app.
ছোট কথা দিয়ে
Okay, so we can present a like a prototype app in
Yeah.
Basically you have to present a ppt, you have to present an idea on the hackathon. There's no need of making an app. Okay, you can
Okay,
make a
that's right.
ppt and present it to the judges.
Okay.
Can I do
Main-
both? Like, can I do
main-
both of the things?
Yeah, you can do both. Main है तुम्हारा आइडिया. You will be judged on the basis of your idea. अगर तुम उसके बाद एक ऐप भी बना लेते हो तो ऑफ कोर्स तुम्हें ज़्यादा पॉइंट्स, ज़्यादा कंसिडरेशन तो मिलेगा ही, बट मेन है कि तुम्हारा आइडिया कितना अप्रोचेबल है, किस प्रॉब्लम को तुम टारगेट कर रहे हो, इज
Okay,
इट रियली
Okay,
वेल.
so I have to sell my idea.
is it a
I have to
group
sell my idea.
event?
No, it's not a group event. And about idea also, I'm gonna tell you. Let me tell you first. Let me clear you all the things. See, now listen about what I'm gonna say. Please listen to it very carefully. First, जो हम लोग आइडिया वगैरह बोल रहे थे, थीम. एवरी हैकाथॉन हैज अ थीम, राइट? कोई एंड्रॉइड पे फोकस होता है, कोई एमएल पे, कोई काफी चीज पे फोकस्ड रहता है. दिस हैकाथॉन इज फोकस्ड ऑन एंड्रॉइड. In this hackathon, you are supposed to build an Android app. It's not compulsory to build an Android app. You're supposed. Listen to me very carefully. 100% compulsory नहीं है कि तुम्हें एक Android app बनाना है. 100% compulsory ये है कि तुम्हें एक PPT बनाना है. PPT में you will be talking about कि what your Android app is about to do, should do, how will it do. ऐसा नहीं कि PPT में कोड वगैरह लिखना है, नहीं. समझो कि तुम अगर किसी नॉन टेक्निकल इंसान को समझा रहे हो कि तुम एक ऐप बनाना चाहते हो, व्हाट द ऐप शुड डू. सो वो तुम्हारा पीपीटी विल प्रेजेंट कि व्हाट योर ऐप इज अबाउट, हाउ विल इट वर्क, व्हिच ऑडियंस विल इट टारगेट एंड ऑल दैट. समझे?
Yep.
ओके. हाँ, और अब अगर तुम पीपीटी बना के यू ऑल्सो मेक अ ऐप ऑल्सो ऑन दैट, तो अब ऑफ कोर्स तुमने इतना महान काम किया, पीपीटी भी बना लिया, 2 दिन में सीख के ऐप भी बना लिया, तब तो यू आर ग्रेट, यू आर सुपर ग्रेट. तो ऑफ कोर्स विल गेट अपर हैंड ऑन दैट. अगर हम लोग बाकी प्रोजेक्ट्स को कंपेयर करेंगे, हम देखेंगे कि हाँ इसने पीपीटी बनाया, इसने पीपीटी एंड ऐप दोनों बनाया. सो ऑफ कोर्स द पर्सन हु मेड पीपीटी एंड ऐप बोथ विल गेट मोर कंसिडरेशन. एंड सेकंड, इसमें टीम्स नहीं है, यू विल ऑल बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग सोलो. ओके, सो आई नो सोलो पार्टिसिपेट करने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा, बट इट्स फॉर योर ओन बेनिफिट, ताकि तुम ज़्यादा सीखो. विल बी पार्टिसिपेटिंग सोलो. And about
So
the
we
yeah.
so we're going to use Java or C++ language.
No, it's Android app. Will be teaching you Kotlin. You can use Kotlin or Java, anything, because both of them are used for Android. But we will be teaching you Kotlin. This session I told you, which will be conducted on 5th and 6th of Feb, it will be done in Kotlin.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Oh yeah, I didn't complete the timeline also, sorry. So 5th and 6th, coming back to the timeline, 5th and 6th में हमने सेशंस करा दिया, 2 सेशंस, एंड those sessions will be done by Google Developer Experts. वो तुम्हें Kotlin सिखाएंगे, वो तुम्हें Android सिखाएंगे, इतना सिखा देंगे कि अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ बेसिक आइडिया है तुम वो बना सको. Then on 8 on 9, फिर 7th को गैप है. 7th is like a doubt day. हम लोग के साथ यू कैन आस्क एनी डाउट, एनी आइडिया अगर तुम्हारे पास है कि हाँ ये है, ये मैं इम्प्लीमेंट करना चाहता हूँ, बट व्हाट कैन आई डू एंड ऑल. सो यू कैन आस्क अस एनी टाइम. Then on 8 and 9th Feb the hackathon will start. So it is a 48-hour hackathon, right? तो 8 और 9th तक चलेगा. And 10th को तुम लोग हमें अपना PPT दिखाओगे जो तुमने बनाया है. अब again I am saying hackathon में पार्ट लेने के लिए it's not 100% important to build an app, but it's 100% important to build a PPT. So PPT अच्छा से बनाना, आइडिया अच्छा होना चाहिए. And on 11th Feb will be the result declaration date. Then about idea, तुम लोगों के लिए easy करने के लिए will be giving you 10 problem statements कि एक ये हो गया, एक कुछ ऐसा problem है वगैरह. And from those 10 problem statements, you need to select one statement and build your idea around that. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So हम लोग तुम्हें 10 प्रॉब्लम्स दे देंगे कि कहीं ऐसा कुछ. फिर तुम इसमें से जो भी तुम्हें सूटेबल लगता है, जो भी तुम्हें बेस्ट लगता है, उसमें से एक चूज करो और उसी पे अपना आइडिया बनाओ, उसी पे सोचो कि तुम्हारा ऐप उस चीज को कैसे, उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर सकता है. So that will be your main goal.
Okay, so we are limited to those 10 problem statements, or we can also like work on our own
No, for this
ideas.
hackathon you will be limited to those 10 problem statements, because ऐसा नहीं है कि we'll be teaching you basic in 2 days, right? We can't cover the entire Android. So those 10 problem statements will be revolving around those basics.
Okay.
Yeah. ताकि अगर तुम ऐप भी बनाना चाहो सो यू कैन मेक, क्योंकि इट विल बी बेसिक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स. Now the third point, that is judge panel. So of course I told you that you will be judged by none other than the Google developer experts. So वही तुम्हें जज करेंगे, वही तुम्हें रिव्यू करेंगे, और जब वो हम 5th and 6th को जो सेशन करेंगे, अगर तुम्हें कुछ डाउट हो वगैरह, दे विल क्लियर योर डाउट्स आल्सो. So that's great according to me. So यही सब मेन थिंग था. I hope you all will be super excited to join your hackathon. So कोई कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछना चाहते हैं पहले?
So in this hackathon, only CSC, BCA, and IT students are allowed to join.
No, anyone can join. Like main इस hackathon का focus तो coding है नहीं, main है idea, so it's open to all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I wanna ask something.
Yeah, sure.
So you guys will be teaching us Kotlin, right?
Yeah, correct.
So suppose one of us knows Kotlin from previously only, okay?
Okay.
So after the 2 days, like 5th and 6th, and the day when we will show our PPT or like the app we made, how will you know if the student who is making the app is a beginner or like knows like this stuff from before only?
Why should we have to know? If you know Kotlin from
No,
before.
isn't it unfair? Isn't it unfair?
No.
No, it is. Actually, suppose a student understood the Kotlin in 2 days and another student knows it from a year. So of course the
Okay.
child who is from like has experience will do better in this. Isn't it unfair?
Yeah, actually you have a point there. But I guess if the child who has been learning Kotlin for 1 year, then it's his or her hardship. So
But
But
what is the
but I think, as you said, that the competition is mainly based on the presentation of the idea. So even if he has a better Kotlin knowledge, there may be some beginner who has a much better
Yeah.
idea and he wins over him.
Exactly.
that is the point.
No, actually, he just said ki if someone makes a PPT and the app, he will get the upper hand.
Yeah, but
Right.
the app will be overshadowed by the idea itself.
No,
Exactly.
no.
Our
He
main
just
focus
said.
It's my
is on your
thinking that
idea is not to code.
idea is much more important than the app itself, and
Just
rest is upon
any
you.
one of you speak. Any one of you speak. I can understand everyone.
Okay, let us clear this. Actually हमारे एक
At the same
motivation हम लोग 2-3 महीना बाद एक बड़ा करके कोई हैकाथन करेंगे, ठीक है? मतलब उसमें मल्टीपल ऑप्शन भी रहेगा, मल्टीपल टॉपिक रहेगा, लाइक वेब डेव, ऐप डेव, AR व्यूअर, मल्टीपल थिंग. बेसिकली बहुत लोग ऐसे बिगिनर है, अभी कुछ नहीं पता है हैकाथन क्या होता है, क्या करना पड़ता है, कैसे प्रेजेंट करना पड़ता है, नथिंग. तो उन लोगों के लिए बेसिकली ये वाला हैकाथन है कि उन लोग थोड़ा समझ जाए, हाँ हैकाथन में ये करना पड़ता है, ये नहीं करना पड़ता है. मतलब हैकाथन का वाइब्स क्या हो.
So if anyone has experience of this kind of stuff from before, he is not mandatory to participate in this hackathon, right?
Sorry.
If someone has experience of this kind of things from before, it's not mandatory for him to participate in this hackathon,
He can participate.
right?
It's up to him.
Nothing is mandatory. Okay.
बेसिकली देखो कोडिंग का कोई इश्यूज नहीं है, लाइक तुम अगर ऐप बिल्ड करके दे रहे हो, इट्स अप टू यू कि तुम्हारा थोड़ा नेक्स्ट वाला हैकाथन में मान लो वही प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट अगर रह गया तो तुम काम भी कर गया तो फिर ठीक है, तुम्हारा फायदा है. बट आवर मेन फोकस विल बी द पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन.
Okay.
Okay. So और भी कुछ डाउट्स पूछने हैं तो पूछते रहो.
You said about teaching us about Kotlin. Can you elaborate more, sir?
Yeah, sure. So as I said that on 5th and 6th we'll be teaching you about Kotlin. We'll be covering the Kotlin basics maybe on 5th, and I don't know what's the exact timeline, what will be the duration of each session, but we'll be first covering you or guiding you through with the Kotlin basics, and from those basics we'll be taking you to Android basics. Now what exactly will be the content that will be decided by the developer experts themselves. Anything else?
You can see the chat. Many are asking questions over there.
Okay, sure. Okay, yeah. So the winners will be getting, listen to it very carefully, will be getting t-shirts, will be getting, the first person would be getting 90% coding voucher, 90% off on coding blocks. Like he can choose any course, he or she can choose any course on coding blocks and get 90% off. Second person would be getting a voucher of 80 and the third would be getting a voucher of 70. Also, you'll be getting a certificate. Yes, Asutosh, you will be getting certificate. You will be getting stickers. So, yeah.
Okay, so when will we getting the list of 10 problem statements?
Chetalidi, can you say that?
At the time of hackathon, means it's 48-hour hackathon. Then whenever we'll start the hackathon, we'll send you the problem statement. Basically, it will be also a meeting actually. Here we'll present the 10 problem and we will pick this.
Okay, so like thinking about the problem statement is also a part of the hackathon.
Sorry, I have network issue. Can you repeat?
No, I'm just saying that the thinking process is also the part of the hackathon itself,
Yeah,
right?
obviously. This is the main hackathon actually. Your idea, your presentation is the main hackathon. हैकाथन में वही करते हैं हम लोग लाइक कोई भी एक टॉपिक पिक करते हैं देन मतलब दिया हुआ रहता है कुछ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट उससे एक पिक करते हैं देन हमारा क्या आइडिया है उस पे व्हाट हैव टू डू विल प्रेजेंट दिस इज द बेसिकली मेन आइडिया
किसी ने मिसमैच देखा नेटफ्लिक्स पे?
नहीं.
Yes,
Nope.
yes,
Okay.
भैया.
जिसने yes बोला?
Okay, so there, is it similar to Hacktoberfest?
No, it's not similar to Hacktoberfest. Hacktoberfest was 100% coding. This is 100% your presentation. So it is not at all similar to Hacktoberfest. अब जिसने mismatch देखा है, you must have seen कि they used to come up with app ideas, right? कि suppose this app, dating app, ये app, वो app. We don't. It's kind of similar to that, but इसमें we don't expect you to build that app. We expect you to come up with an idea. And ideas will be revolving around those 10 problem statements which will be given to you. अभी 10 प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स भी हम इसीलिए दे रहे हैं ताकि तुम्हारा टास्क इजी हो जाए, वरना इन अदर हैकाथॉन्स तो इट्स अप टू यू राइट कि तुम कुछ भी बनाओ वगैरह, बट बिकॉज ये तुम्हारा फर्स्ट हैकाथॉन है, तुम्हें एक्सपीरियंस देना है, तुम्हें तुम्हारा नर्वसनेस हटाना है, सो दिस दैट्स व्हाई विल बी गिविंग यू दोस 10 प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स. बिकॉज रियलिटी में क्या होता है ना, इन मेनी कॉलेजेस लोग 3rd ईयर 4th ईयर तक भी पहुंच जाते हैं, बट देन फिर जब वो if they are trying for out campus placements and they go and attend hackathons, तो नर्वस हो जाते हैं क्योंकि 4th ईयर के बंदे को भी पता नहीं होता कि हैकाथन में करने के. दे अटेंड देयर फर्स्ट हैकाथन, 2-3 बार हैकाथन अटेंड करने के बाद दे गेट यूज्ड टू. बट अगर तुम फर्स्ट ईयर में ही हैकाथन अटेंड करके यू गेट यूज्ड टू इट, सो बाद में तो यू विल बी चिल्ड, लाइक यू वोंट हैव एनी नर्वसनेस, एनी एंजाइटी, नथिंग. Swaroop asked that will we get 48 hours of coding session, or the coding session will be a part of the 48-hour session. I didn't quite get you. Could you please explain it, Swaroop?
No, I joined late, so I thought this was like a coding hackathon. What?
Uh, now your doubt is cleared, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Vijit, for registration, we'll send the link soon. It may be 1 or 2 weeks later, maybe. Please join the DSC SIT page. We'll share all the details. We'll share all the things here.
Nidhi, can you send them that attendance link also?
Yeah, I'm sending.
Shavik, those sessions on Kotlin and Android will be held on 5th and 6th of Feb. Time hasn't been decided yet. We'll let you know very soon.
But there is no way like we can join as a duo, like 2-person team.
Chaitali di.
Duo का क्या जरूरत है?
No, like I am good in something, he is good in something like that. मतलब वैसे करते आ रहे हैं तो इसलिए.
Actually देखो बेसिकली हमारा टॉपिक भी एक है ना, एंड्रॉइड ओनली.
हाँ, still ना like.
देखो बेसिकली हम लोग केशव, can you present the screen once?
Yeah, sure. Just a second.
इवेंट डेट वाला पार्ट था.
Okay, Keshav, another students, thank you. Just I'm leaving, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thanks a
sir.
lot.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
Thank you, sir.
thank you, thank you.
ओके तो देखो यहाँ पे 5 और 6 तारीख को हमारा सेशन है. लाइक जीडी एक्सपर्ट जो लोग हैं उन लोग हमारा सेशन मतलब करवाएंगे. कोई भी टॉपिक मतलब कॉटलिन जो है कुछ भी लाइक बिगिनर्स टू इंटरमीडिएट हम लोग कोशिश करेंगे कवर करने का. ये हो गया सेशन वाला पार्ट. नेक्स्ट देखो 8 और 9 फरवरी को हैकाथन है, बट बीच में 7 फरवरी गैप है. तो इसमें हम लोग मतलब तुम्हारा जितना भी डाउट है कुछ भी है तो तुम हम लोग से पूछ सकते हो. एक बार हम लोग बोल देंगे. लाइक डायरेक्ट तो नहीं बोलेंगे, बट मान लो कुछ आइडिया देना है, कुछ भी करना है तो आइडिया में भी हम लोग हेल्प करेंगे ऐसे ही. और नॉट ओनली अस बट हमारा फोर्थ ईयर का सीनियर कुछ गूगल डेवलपर्स एक्सपर्ट उन लोग भी हेल्प करेंगे. ठीक है, तो डोंट नीड डुओ करने का क्या जरूरत है इसमें. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि डुओ रहेगा. अगर देखो ज्यादा लोग बोले कि हाँ डुओ बेटर रहेगा देन वी विल आस्क फॉर.
So ये वोटिंग कर सकते हैं क्या कि डुओ मतलब कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? Because I think many of them will like say Yeah, I'm duo with is you. better.
Okay, definitely we'll do.
Because you see like the work is divided like and we will cooperate and the things will be much more interesting in that.
Yeah, duo is
Than
better.
a solo. If we are solo,
Yeah.
it will be boring.
Plus one.
एक्चुअली देखो क्लियरली एक चीज बोल रहे हैं. डुओ करना एक प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मान लो हमारा अटेंडेंस पार्टिसिपेंट ज्यादा नहीं हुआ तो डुओ करना इज काइंड ऑफ.
Okay, I get it.
दैट्स द मेन पॉइंट.
Okay, I get
खुद
it.
ही स्पॉन्सर भी कर रहे हैं, कॉलेज भी कुछ दे रहे हैं ना. कॉलेज भी बोल रहे हैं कि हाँ ठीक है डुओ करो, हम लोग पार्टिसिपेंट्स को प्राइज देंगे, ये देंगे. बट क्यों देंगे वो लोग अगर कम स्टूडेंट्स रहा तो. दैट्स द मेन थिंग एक्चुअली. अगर
Now I see the problem.
तो ऑब्वियसली हम लोग डुओ करेंगे.
Okay.
तो ये
Okay, we'll
hackathon
try.
online
We'll
होगा
try
या
encourage as many as we can, and
It will
let's
be
see what
really good,
happens.
seriously.
Yes, thank you.
hackathon online होगा या offline?
ऑनलाइन.
Oh.
क्योंकि पैंडेमिक में तो अभी कॉलेज नहीं आ सकते ना.
और कोई डाउट्स या क्वेश्चंस?
अटेंडेंस फॉर्म भी दे दिया है, एक बार फिल अप कर लेना क्योंकि हम लोग को वो सर को भेजना है. एंड प्लीज डोंट शेयर दिस इन ग्रुप, कॉलेज ग्रुप में मत भेजना ये अटेंडेंस लिंक. अगर कोई भेजा तो उसका नाम जाएगा सर के पास. स्ट्रिक्टली बोला गया है हम लोग को.
Is there anything else?
No, that's all. We are waiting from your side if you have any questions or doubts.
No.
Okay, so we may end the meeting now.
If you have any question, you can ask on group, you can ask us individually.
Your voice is not clear.
Those who don't have any questions or doubts may please exit from the meeting. That was all. Thanks a lot for joining.
Okay, so I
When
have
will
a
it
doubt.
start?
When will it start? What start?
I mean the hackathon.
The hackathon will be starting from the 5th. From 5th and 6th, we have the session. So I would suggest you join then. 7th will be the leave, and 8 and 9 you will be getting 48 hours for the hackathon. So it's basically 8 and 9th is the hackathon. 8 and 9th of Feb 2021.
Okay.
Okay, so Keshav Bhaiya,
Is there any
I have this
process for
like
doing it?
doubt about the
Yeah.
app. So after presentation, what if we like instead of coding, we create a mock-up of the app in Adobe XD and present it to the judges panel? Will it be accepted, or we have to code an app?
No, it's really not important to code an app.
So we
As I said,
can present a
yeah,
mock-up
of
of
course you
the
can
app.
do in Adobe. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's all.
The
Thank you.
main thing is your idea.
Acha, I have a question. If someone does not join,
Continue. Someone?
Acha, if someone does not attend the phases, can he still attend attend the classes on, like the hackathon on 10?
Yeah, of course, he or she can attend the hackathon directly. It's your wish if you want to attend the sessions or not.
Sayan, can you tell me about the participating process and all?
So you will be given a registration link for the hackathon. Our lead will be sending you soon. In that, you will be registering all your important details, name, email, everything. By that time, it will also be finalized whether we'll be doing duo or solo. Till now, consider it's 99% solo. After all of that is done, then yeah, for that you can start. But I'll suggest you that you can start learning Kotlin and Android. Like take interest in those subfields now itself if you want to join, if you want to win. And then of course on 5th and 6th we'll be conducting sessions, so you'll be learning plenty in that also. So that's the main event timeline, and the registration process will be updated very soon. It will be most likely a registration like nothing else, nothing heavy kind of thing. And also, if you plan to build an Android app, so you'll be needing Android Studio, right? So there are some PC specifications, like your PC should have minimum of 4 GB of RAM, although 8 GB is recommended, and you should have an HDD of 1 terabyte. And if you have an SSD, is very good. And Yeah, that's all I guess. RAM and your hard disk. And of course, you should have a bit storage capacity to download Android Studio. It's about GB kind of 1 GB, I guess.
Why do we need 1 TB?
For HDD, I said 1 TB HDD because
Yeah.
we'll be running emulators and all on Android Studio. So 1 T because if you have HDD, sometimes it lags. Like it's not that it will lag, of course, 100%, but sometimes it lags.
Okay. Any other like graphic and all is not
No,
required, right?
graphics is not required for Android, not at all.
Actually, I think that Android study jams will help in this, right?
Yeah, you got it correct, Mayank. Those who are already in Android Study Jams, they are, quite familiar with it. So yeah.
Yeah, and that we learn Kotlin, that will be similar.
Of course, that would be the same.
Okay.
We are not limited to Kotlin. No, we can use anything like any other language.
Yeah, you can use any other language that you wish. Chetalidi, you want to say anything else, or should I finish the meeting?
I think if there is any question, we can continue. Otherwise, I think we can come to an end.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you, Keshav Bhaiya and Chaita Didi for this session. So I'll leave now.
It's okay.
Thank you, and
You're welcome. Thanks a lot, everyone, for joining.